Good day, folks. This is your housing review for the Fraser Valley for September of 2025. Fraser Valley, just like the greater Vancouver area, is going through a correction. It's not a major correction. It's probably one of the bigger ones that they've seen because those two marketplaces, Vancouver especially, Vancouver and the Fraser Valley, very strong economies, and they are resistant to downward pressure. The two largest economies in the country are Toronto and Vancouver, and historically, those areas resist downward pressure. So as you can see, the absorption for September of 2025 was 9.26%. It's been down there for quite a while. It's just like the Vancouver board, around the first or second quarter of 2024, things started to go down. So here it's September of 2024. You've got 12%, and then it basically stayed down in that very low balance in the lower part of the balanced range, which is 12 to 20%, or below it. We've been down below it for quite a while now. And so that means that the supply coming on is exceeding the demand. And the results to that, the function of that is the inventory. And as you can see, the inventory is up here around 3,500 units, all the way down to, say, in January 2024, we were half of that or less than half of that. How about sales? Sales was 341 transactions in the Fraser Valley in September. These are just housing transactions. The September before, 396, so down about 50 sales. And what about pricing? Pricing in the Fraser Valley area, if we highlight January to September, and look over here in this little figure, it's 1.5 million is the average price of the sales in housing sales in January to September. If we look at January to September last year and highlight that area, we're down to approximately the same. It's down a little bit, but really not a lot. So prices are level. They're not going up. They're inching down. So I would say you're going to consistently see that throughout the rest of the year for the Fraser Valley area. I don't think you're going to see any more aggressive downturn. We had a drop in interest rates. The next rate change is October 29th. And all the estimates are that we're going to see a drop in interest rates on October 29th as well. So I think you're going to see a fairly consistent leveling off. And in the first part of the year, you're going to see these markets start to inch up. That's it for the Fraser Valley for September of 2025.